In this video, I will show you how to use 888 stars first deposit bonus. And let's subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to use an A stars first deposit bonus, here's exactly what you have to do. Come over to your account, you go over to menu and click on the account balance at the top there. Now once you claim your first deposit bonus, it is going to come over in an account segment called the bonus account. So this bonus account here is the money you receive from your first deposit bonus. So if you have it, you could see account here, and all you have to do is to select that account. Then you can go ahead and place any bet. Any bet I place from now on is going to be taken, the money is going to be taken from my bonus account or from the free deposit bonus. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.